Hello everyone, today we are going to perform Supernode analysis and we are going to check a Supernode analysis example. So this is what the given circuit is right now, in which it is being mentioned that for the circuit shown in the figure, find the number or the node voltages. Okay, so here they have mentioned the two voltages, node voltages V1 and V2. So we have to identify these node potential voltages by using supernode analysis. As it is the supernode analysis, we have to apply the KCL for this circuit simplification. Okay, so shall we proceed for the same? Okay, you have to go to the Google, type falstad.com space circuit, click on circuit simulator applet. Go to the full screen version. Drag the circuitry and clear the screen. Add the components. Go to the draw. Add resistor. Again go to the draw. We have the requirement of voltage source. Okay, we have the DC voltage source required. Then draw inputs. Go to the draw, add current source, inputs and sources, add current source. We have the two current source requirements. Just a minute. And one more is that we have the requirement for the circuit completion. We need the ground, now with the help of wire we are going to connect it. Current source. Now it's been connected to the ground. I'll stop. Connect ground. See, this is the word circuitry they have mentioned. Now we'll change the values. 10 ohm. DC voltage is of 2 volt. Resistor is of 4 ohm. Then this one is of 2 ohm. The current source is of 2 ampere. Another one is of 7 ampere. Sorry. See, in our question, they have mentioned that we have to identify the node potentials. Node potentials at point 1, that is V1 over here, and at point 2, that is node 2, V2. So for measurement, we can add the voltmeters. Go to the draw, output and labels, add voltmeter. I'll just go with the wires first because this little bit clumsy. Okay, one more wire. Here also I'll add the wire and wire, so that what will happen, I can add the outputs and labels voltmeter in between these two terminals. Okay, in between these two terminals, so that what will happen, the potential or the voltage which is available at this point will be made available for the measurement. See, if we run this circuitry, we can observe the potential at node V1 is minus 7.333, and at node 2, that is V2, it is minus 5.333. And if we click on the resistor, we are able to identify the current which is flowing across the 4 ohm, it is 1.333 ampere, while across 2 ohm resistor, the current is 3.667. Hope you understood the simplest circuitry.